If you're looking to offer bonuses and challenges inside your affiliate program, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up powerful incentives that drive affiliate engagement and maximize results for your business. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a bonus tip that could totally boost your affiliate program success. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is identify what kind of bonuses or challenges will actually resonate with your affiliates. You want to create bonuses that excite your affiliates, but also encourage them to keep pushing harder for results. One of the easiest ways to set this up is through tiered bonuses. This could mean offering small bonuses for hitting certain sales milestones, then bigger bonuses as they hit more advanced targets. This method keeps affiliates motivated, giving them a sense of progression. You can also consider offering time-sensitive challenges. For example, create monthly or weekly sales challenges where affiliates compete for a prize. This brings an element of urgency and excitement, encouraging your affiliates to hustle and push their sales numbers higher. Another strategy is to give exclusive rewards for high-performing affiliates. These could be special bonuses, additional commission, or even one-on-one coaching sessions. By making these rewards exclusive, you give affiliates something they can't get anywhere else, which increases their loyalty to your program. For tracking these bonuses and challenges, using the right software is crucial. I've tested a few options, and after some serious testing, I found that this software is by far the best. It allows you to easily set up different bonus structures, manage challenges, and track affiliate progress. I've got a special exclusive free trial for this software down in the description, so if you want to follow along, be sure to check that out. It's only available to viewers of my channel. Now, let's talk about how to communicate these bonuses and challenges clearly to your affiliates. It's essential that affiliates know exactly what they need to do to qualify for each bonus or challenge. Make sure to lay out the details in simple, easy to understand terms. Use email, your affiliate portal, or even a dedicated community platform to keep your affiliates up to date on new bonuses and challenges. The key is consistency and clear communication. Finally, make sure your affiliate tracking system is reliable and up to date. If affiliates aren't sure that their efforts are being tracked correctly, they won't be motivated to participate. Always ensure your software is syncing with your affiliates' actions in real time to avoid any confusion. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? It's simple. Offering bonuses and challenges inside your affiliate program isn't just about rewards. It's about creating a system that encourages consistent, high-level performance. By setting clear milestones, making rewards exclusive, and using the right software to track everything, you'll build a motivated affiliate team that pushes your business forward. To recap, the key points are: 1. Offer tiered bonuses and time-sensitive challenges to keep affiliates engaged. 2. Create exclusive rewards for high-performing affiliates. 3. Use reliable software to track progress and bonuses. 4. Communicate clearly with your affiliates to avoid any confusion. And don't forget, if you want to follow along, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. This trial is only available to my viewers, so grab it while you can. Thanks for watching.